In this video, I'm going to go through the step-by-step process to secure a loan on the Celsius app. If you are planning to open a Celsius wallet, then I would appreciate that you use my referral link, which you can find in the description box below. You get $50 worth of Bitcoin, and so do I. On my home screen, it shows a breakdown of all the coins that I have on my Celsius wallet. Clicking on the bottom right blue button brings up the various menu options. The one we're interested in is the one in the middle, the Borrow button. Click on the Borrow button. This gives you two options. You can either receive your loan in stable coins or in US dollars. But in this instance, all I want to take is a $1,500 loan, and so I'm just going to get my loan in stable coins. I'll go ahead and select my stable coin of choice, which is GUSD, and I want to take out a loan for $1,500. The next thing I want to do is to choose the coin that I want to use as collateral for my loan. And in my case, for all the other coins, I still need to deposit a minimum amount for me to be able to secure a loan against them. So Bitcoin is my only option, so I'm going to select Bitcoin. So the smaller the loan amount compared to the total value of my coin, then the smaller the APR that I will need to pay against my loan. In this case, I'm going to select the 6.95% APR rate, and with this rate, I can borrow up to 33% of the value of my coin. Once that is selected, then I'll be prompted to choose the term of my loan. It does default to 6 months, and if I want to repay my loan over a longer period of time, I'll just move the slider button down. But in this particular instance, I want a loan term of just 6 months. And after all this is done, it takes me to this page where I need to confirm my loan. And this page gives the breakdown of the conditions under which I will be given the loan. It tells me the total loan amount, the equivalent value in Bitcoin, the repayment period, which is 6 months, the APR, which is 6.95%. Scrolling further down, it shows me the total amount that I will be paying back over the 6-month period. It shows me these last two figures, which are very important. It gives me the Bitcoin margin call at $19,972.16. And it says if Bitcoin drops below this amount, I will be required to add collateral to meet the minimum loan to value ratio. The next box is a liquidation price, which is $16,227.38. If Bitcoin drops below this amount and margin call has not been met, we will liquidate a portion of your collateral to cover the margin call. And lastly, in the yellow box, it says the exact amount of collateral needed, margin call price, and liquidation price will be fixed upon loan approval. Coins used for collateral will be locked and ineligible to earn rewards. Once this is all well and good, then hit the confirm button. It is important that you do your due diligence and go through all the terms and conditions of the loan, since this is a legally binding contract. After all this is done, check all the boxes and submit the loan. Soon after submitting your request, you will get an email that will require you to upload some credentials to validate your loan. Once this is done, all you have to do is wait and see whether your loan has been approved or not. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button. Comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.